friends, welcome back. So today I am here to explain the concept of SCF. SCF means highest common factor. The SCF of two or more numbers is the highest of their common factors. So before starting SCF, first we need to understand the meaning of the term factor. So the factor of a number is an exact divisor of the number itself. Okay, let's take one example. Let's write the factors of 12. So now we will write all those numbers by which 12 is exactly divisible. So the first factor of every number is 1. 1 is a factor of every number. After that, 12 is divisible by 2. It comes in the table of 2. 2 6 12. Next factor 2. Then it comes in the table of 3. 3 4 12. So 3. Next is 4. 4 3 12. 12 is exactly divisible by 4 also. Then 6. 6 2 12. And then the number itself 12. So the factors of 12 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. It is divisible by all these numbers. Okay. So to understand this term of common factors, we have to take one more example. Let's write the factors of 18. So 18 is also, the first factor is always 1. Then 2, it is divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18. Then 3. 3 6 are 18. Then not by 4. Then by 6. 18 comes in the table of 6. 6 3s are 18. Then 9. 9 2s are 18. Then the number itself or 18. So 18 is divisible by all these numbers. So now we will circle the common factors or the numbers which are coming in both. So the first is 1, 2 is also common, 3 is also common, next is 6. So the common factors, here I am writing CF, common factors of 12 and 18 will be 1, 2, 3 and 6. And the highest of these common factors, the highest is 6. So the SCF, highest common factor, SCF of 12 and 18 will be 6. So this is the way to find out the SCF. So we can find out the SCF by using two methods. First is prime factorization method and the second one is division method. Okay. So SCF is also known as GCD. GCD means greatest common divisor. So today in this video we will learn how to find out the SCF by using prime factorization method. Now we will find out the SCF of 18 and 48 by using prime factorization method. So first write 18 here and draw like this, and 48 here and draw like this. Now start dividing the given number by the prime numbers. In a prime factorization method, all the factors will always be prime. Prime number means the number which is divisible by the number itself and by 1 only. The prime number is having only two factors, 1 and the number itself. So always try to divide it by the lowest possible prime number. So the lowest possible prime number is 2. So let's divide it by 2. So 2 and 18. What will come? 2 9s are 18. Okay. Now 9, it will be divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. Then again by 3. So we will divide till we will get 1 here. Now the same procedure we will apply here. 48. So 48, as we can see, 48 is an even number. So it will be divisible by 2. So we will start dividing by 2. When we will divide 48 by 2, so we will get 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again 24 is an even number. We will again divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. We can again divide it by 2. 2 6 are 12. Again 6 comes in the table of 2. So 2 3s are 6. And then 3 1s are 3. So the factors of 18 will be 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Okay? And 48 will be equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, again 2 and again 3. Now we will circle the common factors. First 2 is common. We will circle it. Now the next number 3 is here and here also. Okay, and this 3 also. So we will circle only 1 3. These are not the common. So only 2 and 3 is common in both. So the SCF will be 2. What is the symbol? Multiplied by 3. 2 3s are 6. So this means SCF of 18 and 48 will be 6. Okay. So now we will take another example. Now we will find out the SCF of 70, 105 and 175 by using prime factorization method. So first again start with 70. 70. 70 is an even number because its ones place digit is 0. So divided by 2. When we will divide 70 by 2, we will get 35. 2 3s are 6. 1 will left and 2 5s are 10. Now 35, we know it is divisible by 5. So do it by 5. 5 7s are 35 and then 7 will be divisible by itself. It is a prime number. Now let's take another number 105. 105, as its ones place digit is 5, so we know that it will be divisible by 5. So do it by 5. 5 2s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. Now divide it by 3. 3 7s are 21. The last is 7 1s are 7. Now we will do the prime factors for 175. So hence 5 is at the ones place. So again we will start dividing by 5 only. So 5. So first we will take first two digits 17. So 5 3s are 15. And 17 minus 15. 2 will left. So 2 we will write here at the as a superscript. Little one 25. So 5 5s are 25. Okay. When you will divide 175 by 5, so you will get 35. Now 35 we know is divisible by 5. 5 7s are 35 and then 7 1s are 7. Okay. So now we will write factors of 70. 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. Next is for 105. It is 5 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 7. And for 175, it is 5 multiplied by 5 and multiplied by 7. Okay. So now we will circle the common factors. See, 2 is in this but not here and not here. Now we will check for 5. 5 is here also, here and here also. So we will circle this. Next number 7. 7 is also present in all these. Okay. 3 is here but not in the factors of 70 and not here. So the SCF of all these 3 will be 5 multiplied by 7. So 5 7 ja 35. So the SCF of 70, 105 and 175 will be 35. So now I hope that you understood how to find out the SCF by using prime factorization method. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.